What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am having the hardest time figuring out what the heck to do because we lived in Orlando for 3 years and I have so many things on my list that I want to do again since we haven't been here in so long. Like I want to go get banana bread from Duo 58, I want to go to the Lake Eola Farmers Market, I want to go to the parks of course so bad, but sadly I don't have a pass yet. I want to get Gideon's cookies, I want to go thrifting, I want to take Nala to the PARK. So I don't know actually what I'm gonna end up doing this weekend. I know first off I am gonna take Nala to the PARK, but anyway, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and excuse me, and we can figure out what to do after that. Do you want to go to the park? Is that a yes? Yeah. Okay. Guys, I have to say that Orlando does not have a lot of fun dog parks. If you live in Orlando or if you've been to a dog park in Orlando, let me know in the comments down below what you think. But like I don't see anything similar to like Atlanta, which has like Newtown, which has fountains and playgrounds for dogs. There's a piece of hair in my mouth. And then of course Fetch, which I think something like Fetch would absolutely thrive in Orlando because just there's so many young people here and so many people with dogs and so many people who like to go out. It's like a very similar young people scene as Atlanta. Like I think a lot of people would really love like a dog park and bar. So I don't know, maybe one day we shall see. But we are going to Mill Slough Park. It's not too far from our apartments and we'll see how it goes. We made it. I have no idea where the dog park is, but we're going to find it. Looks really nice. It's very covered, shady area. I know Nala's excited. We found it. So basically you go over this bridge and right here's the dog park. We're so excited. Well guys, I don't know if we'll be going back to Millslough Park. It was nice, but there was like 3 dogs there. It's kind of like in a neighborhood. And so yeah, I don't think that we'll be going back there. There was also like no seating. So join me as I find the quest for the best dog park in Orlando. I'm probably gonna try out some more. I asked for recommendations on my Facebook page, so we'll see if anybody knows of any good parks. But until then, I'm gonna keep an eye out for any good ones. We made it to Icon Park. We used to come here all the time for Shake Shack and Yard House. So pretty. So we're at a place called Tapa Toro in Icon Park. It's really beautiful. They have these really cool paintings that like change. Like look at that. So cool, he's grabbing the wine. So cool. Like yeah, it is like Harry Potter. But here's the menu. They do like all tapas food, and I just saw they have Impossible meatballs, which I'm definitely getting. And we got some drinks coming, and we're so excited. Cheers. Cheers. Happy first week in Orlando. We did it. Did it. Blake got a job, guys. It's awesome. We're doing great. We're thriving. Nala's thriving the most. That's good. What's that, the Paloma one? Yeah. And this one's called Call Me Lolita. Yum. Okay, we started with Impossible meatballs. This is the empanadas, which have potatoes, tomatoes, and a yummy sauce underneath. Yum, yum, yum. We also got the artichoke dip, so we already dug in, and the guacamole. And this is the pina colada on the rocks. It is so good. So guys, we're having a little at-home movie night with Tijuana Flats. Support your local businesses. Got some queso. That's what I was in the mood for. That's why we ended up going with Tijuana Flats. So I got some queso in here. Got some churro donuts. I got a veggie bowl. Blake got tacos, and these are called atom bombs, I believe. They look so good. Good morning, guys. I'm about to wrap up this vlog, so I'm gonna do a quick little apartment update and tell you about our first week in Atlanta, or Orlando. I'm gonna mess it up for a while now. Also, my hair's a mess because Blake's in the bathroom. I need my hairbrush, so sorry about that. But we added some new things to the apartment that I don't think I showed in last week's vlog, so let me show you. So we got this sign put up. I think it was actually there last week, but then we did this whole area by the TV. It's kind of nice because we have Nala's toys over here, so they're kind of like out of the way from everything, whereas I feel like in our last apartment I had them like where you could see them pretty visibly, and these are kind of hidden over here. She still has way too many. We need to go through and get rid of some of these that have holes and stuff in them, but she's happy, so that's all that matters, huh? That's all that matters, huh? Yes. Then over here is my new Disney office. I'm just gonna do a quick glimpse because I'm gonna be doing an actual Disney office tour on my channel once it's all finished, so ignore that. That's Blake's vape juice. But yeah, this is the new Disney office and I love it. Oh no, my little Mickey fell. Gotta fix him. I have one more Funko Pop coming for right here. I won't say who it is, but she's coming. And then I put some of my Disney books down here, but I'll do a full tour once we have everything. And then some of my things. And then over here, got my printer and some of my books. And then, so the only thing we're really missing for this room is we want to get some artwork. We picked out the one we want on Etsy, so we just need to order it. And it's coming from the UK, so it might be a couple weeks before we can do the official office tour. But I'm loving it. It's such a great space to record my podcast and edit my videos. So I love it. And I'm really happy with having this own space to do my stuff. We also put this little table here. It used to be by the reading chair in our old apartment. And I think it looks really nice. Just a little accent piece. We hung this up. We hung this up. So everything's coming together. In the kitchen, we did these shelves, which I think look really nice. It took us a while to figure out what we wanted there. We were messing around with those and those shelves for a long time, trying to figure out what we liked. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Of course, just like our last apartment, once we're finished, we will do an apartment tour. Really the only things that we have left are we want to get a little picture for above the couch. Over here underneath these hands, we want to get like a bar cart. I think that would look really nice. And then in the bedroom, I want to get art. And in the office, I want to get art. And then in the bedroom, I want to get a little bench for the closet. And I think that's really all that we're missing. So after we get those things, we will do an apartment tour and tell you where we got everything and all of that stuff. So anyway, I also wanted to say that this first week of Orlando, I also learned how to drive to work and drive home without a GPS. I also learned how to get to Publix and not without a GPS and back without a GPS. And I know this week was kind of boring, but trust me, we have a lot of fun Orlando videos coming. Right now it's hard without the Disney annual pass. I would love to go to the park so bad, but I can't right now. So Nala wants to go on the porch. So I am looking into getting a Universal annual pass, and also my parents are coming this weekend, so we are planning to do some fun things with them in Lakeland and around Orlando. So be sure to subscribe to join us for next week's vlog. And anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to hear about WandaVision, go check out my Disney Mouse Club podcast because I've been talking about it every single week. But I'm addicted to WandaVision right now. It is the best show ever. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful week. I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye guys.